Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you in detail how to get your Game Pass link in Roblox, step by step. If you've already made your first Roblox game and you want to add a Game Pass to make it more engaging or to earn Robux, this guide is perfect for you. Let's start from the beginning. First, open Roblox. You can use the desktop app or your web browser, whichever you prefer. Once you're on the Roblox homepage, look for the Create button at the top of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the Roblox Creator Hub, which is where all your game management tools are located. Now that you're in the Creator Hub, you'll see a list of your experiences under the Experiences section. Find the game you want to make a Game Pass for and click Manage Experience next to it. This will open your game's settings page. Next, on the left-hand side, scroll down and click Monetization. Under Monetization, you'll see an option called Passes. This is where all your Game Passes are managed. Click on it, and then click the Create a Pass button. A new window will open, asking you to upload an image for your Game Pass. This image will appear in your game store, so make sure it looks good and matches what the Game Pass offers. Give your pass a name and a short description, then click Create Pass to save it. Once your Game Pass is created, you'll be taken back to the list of passes. Now, click on the name of the Game Pass you just created to open its details page. Look at the top of your browser. The URL in the address bar is your Game Pass link. This is the link you can share with other players or use in your Roblox scripts and donation boards. If you ever need the Game Pass ID, you can also find it in that same URL. It's the long number at the end of the link, and that's it. You've successfully created a Game Pass and found your Game Pass link in Roblox. With this link, you can promote your pass, add it to donation boards, or just share it with your friends and fans. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more easy Roblox guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.